Hello guys, I'm back with reviews. This time is going to be this Studio Softbox continuous light video light stand kit review. I bought it for $80 and here are some specifics. How it looks like something like that, and then here is what you get there, like really the light bulb color, temperature, as well the real wattage and then weight, and as well what's in the box, and then as you see, it is what it says, and it says this light stand goes up to 2 meters, but not sure about this one. But well, let's see it and let's dig in and see what we get there in the box. Let's open everything up, so see if it's all in good condition. Looks also good to go. And here you can see the light bulb specification. It's 135 watts, and then here you can see also this is regular, I don't know, E27 or something like that. What's inside more here? Well, here are the softbox and a nice little bag, and the softbox, and the softbox by itself. Oh, looks like this with a little cable here. Oh, nice. There's also a specification inside the box. That's a good thing. So here's all the information you probably need to know. So on the top they said it's like some sort of Abeststudo light, and then here is also some little guide here. There's a model. Probably you can find this one more by model name. Here's a little bit info, as you see what's inside in the box, and then here are some specification about light bulb, the socket thing and everything else, and spotlight size, and some information about this adjustable heights and everything else, and light bulb itself. So this is rather good stuff here, and here's some guide how to install everything. That's nice. So the softbox by itself, rather easy to open, as you see here. And if you want to install it, all you need to do is just press this one down here, and it'll just pop over like some sort of umbrella thing. And that's about it. This is how you just install this one rather quickly and easy. And here is also adjustable this side, so you can adjust it as you wish and lock in place. And here's the cable. Well, let's see this one. So by the looks, it kind of seems like it is more than 2 meters. Or something around 2 meters, so this is rather long one. It's good. There are also info, and this is softbox by itself, some sort of. Anyway, let's put this aside. Oh yeah, this is also inside. Oh, I didn't see this one. And this is the cover for the softbox. Let's install it later on. This is the diffuser for it. So anyway, let's put it like somewhere here. The second softbox, open it later on. Stand by itself. This is the stand. So it's like tripod sort of thing. There's just one screw here. And bolt this one. And mount this one. Let's see how well this is. This everything is from plastic, so this is rather soft. I think you can easily over tighten it and break it. Kind of looks like it's not the most stable part here. Okay. Tend to slip out, as you see. At the bottom there are little grips from the rubber, so it's good. Here is this how it looks. softbox cover, light bulbs by themselves. So it comes without a dimmer, just with this switch. So let's just make this as high as we can, so we can see how high it can go. And you see it's kind of not more stable, so you have to put like that high. So guys, this is how high it goes if you want to put it safely. And from the height by itself, I would say that this is rather about 190 meters or something like that, 185, something like that. Let's take the softbox and install it. Well, if you want to install it like that, this is probably easier. If you will install it like this one, then it will not rotate that well, because you will be able to just rotate it horizontally, and probably you better need vertically rotation and horizontally, so you have to do it like this one. Because of this mount, as you see, it goes like that, and if you install it, you can install it like that one, but they will be locked in place here, and you'll just rotate in horizontal, not vertical way. So I will just install it like this. As you can see, there's also a switch, not dimmable, and then this part is kind of well locks here in, and here's also some sort of little breaks in, so you can adjust it by the steps and then lock in place. More or less I just put it like. Okay, next part I will install this. Lock in place. Okay, after that we can install the diffuser. It comes with a little sticky place here around, so that's good. And as you see, there is the other sides for the stickiness. So this is how it looks fully assembled, and it kind of covers rather well here around the edges, so no problem at all. And overall pretty good so far. Well, let's plug this in and see how well it lights up the place, and we'll go to some more darker place and we'll see how it will work. So right now I'm in a rather dark place, and let's turn this on by the switch. So I just switched to the auto balance for a light, and then let's put something there, probably a shoes. So let's put this one down there. I think this kind of rather well lights up, and then it makes rather nice color even with auto balance. Let's adjust the whitening. So I put 5.5K lightening right now, and this is how it looks. A little bit more yellowish currently, probably just because from reflections and everything else. Maybe let's reduce this one anyway. And the carrying bag by itself, as you see, you can fit the light bulbs in the protecting cases inside there easily. Also you can put, I didn't put the other stand there, and the softbox, but you can easily put it there, so rather nice stuff. Of course, this is not very quality stuff here. You see, really cheap kind of bag, but you don't need anything much better than just to put everything at the same place. Plus, it's not drop safe, so be worried about this one. Probably you don't see it, but I put 5500 the light balance for my camera, and this is how it looks with that one. And currently I'm just shining the light from both sides, and let's see what will happen if I will just change the auto balance. So this is the auto balance on. As you see, it's not that good anymore. So probably if you're using these light bulbs, I suggest you to use manual color settings. A few final words. Well, overall I'm really happy about this Softbox light stands, and also the quality what I get out. I also like how easy it's to assemble them, and you have carrying bag where you can put everything in there. Also the light bulbs by themselves in the kind of big these covers and everything else, and it's like nice thing. And overall the build quality is cheap for these ones, as the price is $80. You cannot expect to get something really great quality, but well, for you or myself or someone else who just want to buy some sort of little upgrade and not to spend hundreds of dollars in lightening, this is rather nice start, and this will clearly bring you a lot better image quality and video quality with you. And especially if you live in a place where there's a lot of cloudiness outside and there's not a real daylight, and so this is going to bring you a lot better videos inside. So also the one thing what you have to take in account, that the power cords, they are rather short, about 2 meters. If you just lift these stands to the maximum, you will just have a little short cable left, so you have to also some sort of extra power cords just to make sure that you have enough length of wire left so you can easily maneuver and move these light stands. Also there is a LED version. I don't know if this is good or not. Probably I will look into this sometime in future if I will need some more of this. And the price was same. I just wonder, probably I'll rather buy these ones, because the LED lighting sometimes have this problem when if it's not really quality LED bulb, this kind of can bring some sort of this shuttering effect in your videos, and you have to like manually put your shutter speed or something like that. I don't know how to do it very well, so that's up to you, but I just went for the safe solution and bought these ones, which kind of thought will be better one, because there's just gas inside. Should I buy these ones? Well, I would buy extra 2 of these ones if I would need. I'm not really disappointed with these ones. I know the quality is not the greatest, the price is good, probably not the best, but it's good, but the effect what you can get out of these is worth it. So thanks for watching, and I hope I at least could give you a little insight what you can get in the box and how it looks in the end when you have like put everything back together and started to using these ones. I'm not sure about the lifespan of the light bulbs and something like that, but I hope that they are at least going to last for a couple hundred hours. So let's see. Goodbye.